Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and tonight we are going to do a wall sconce. Miss Valerie over at Valerie's Glamorous Castle and Decor, she did a wall sconce on her channel here in the last couple of days, and she used some of Dollar Tree's little mirror picture frames they used to carry. They don't carry them anymore, and so she was telling you guys a way that you can make them by ordering the actual mirrors. But I came up with this way that using Dollar Tree items that you can dupe her wall sconce if you would like. I also am going to link her video in an iCard, so go over, look at her video, and let her know that I sent you over. I would love for you to become a part of the Design on the Dollar family. You can do that by hitting the red subscribe button and then hitting the post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload. Then I would love for you to like this video by giving it a big thumbs up, and finally share this video and our channel so that we can continue to grow. So I will not be doing any talking in this video after this. I'm just showing you guys that I'm using one of the mirror pieces that I had left over, and then I'm going to actually measure out the smallest one, and I'm giving you the measurements. I made 6 of each one, and so it's a very simple design to follow, or you can use the Dollar Tree tongs to do it as well, but I'm just using the mirror reflective tray. So there is other ways that she tells you also that you can do this wall sconce. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and I will see you guys in our next video. On January the 28th, I turned 50 years old. In honor of me turning 50 in 2020, my goal for our channel is to have 100,000 subscribers. Please share our videos and channel with your friends and other family members to help us reach this goal. We can do all things through Christ. Let's make 2020 our year. Take this opportunity to hit the like button and then click the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from us. And guys, I would truly love for you to join the Design on the Dollars family. Just hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again.